Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we're going to cut fabric nylon. So this is almost transparent, bright green nylon. We put it on top of one worktop 3.5 watt DIY endurance engraving machine. We launched a software called ACAN. Here is our round. Okay, let's start laser cutting process. Parameters that we're using is 220 milliseconds time delay and 100% power, and the size is a bit something like 1 inch in diameter. So we already made some experiments before. As you can see, they're a little bit burned, not very much. Probably parameters could be different, maybe like maybe time could be not like 20 or maybe 17 or something. So it takes time to do experiments. So almost ready. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, as you can see, it's over here. Right, yeah, I didn't put it accurately. Okay. Okay, you can see the result. So you can cut any fabric, including almost transparent nylon, with 3.5 watt laser. So hope that you like this video, and please try this laser cutting with us. Thank you.